Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign in and link your Switch parental control app to your Nintendo Switch. So to do this, you need to open the Switch parental control app, then press sign in and create account. You might need to refresh the page like this. Press sign in. And from here you can either log into your Nintendo account. You can log in using Facebook, Google, Twitter or Apple. You can create new Nintendo account or just press forget your password if you don't have or don't remember your password. So I'm gonna log in, but I'm gonna write it off screen for obvious reasons. And when you be logged in, you'll see this information. And you need to press select this account just once. Now we're gonna press next. And you see this code right here. Now we can go back to our Nintendo Switch device. I'm sorry, I pressed the wrong thing. We need to go back to the settings like this. Then parental control settings. And press I've already downloaded the app. And now enter registration code. And we just need to write this code right here, like this. You can also follow this tutorial right here if you find any trouble. Now we need to press a link on our Nintendo Switch device. And we're linked. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.